What's up, you guys? It's your girl Dana. Today I bought you flat tummy drinks and detox water. I'm hoping that they aid with weight loss, help with digestion, help balance the pH in your body, curb cravings, and increase your energy level. So before we get in, please make sure that you subscribe. Also hit the notification bell and please give me a thumbs up. Below, leave in the comments what drink you're gonna make first. Let's get right in. Okay, so first we have our strawberry lemon mint drink. It's kind of inspired of a strawberry lemonade, but without all the added sugar. So all we're gonna do for this is we're gonna add lemon, which aids with weight loss. It really helps with indigestion. We're gonna have strawberries, which is really good for heart health. And we're gonna have in some mint. We're just gonna pour it into our mason jar, the ingredients. And I love this because I'm getting all the fruit. And guys, it's just good to know that once you are finished, that you just put it in the refrigerator for like 1 to 2 hours. That way, all the flavors are just really enhanced with the water, and then you just sip and enjoy. Okay, so next we have my citrus water, and what we have is a blood orange that I actually found at Whole Foods for only like $1 or something, so it was really affordable. Blood oranges just help with detox, your overall body detox. We also have oranges, which is great for vitamin C. We have some lemons, which aid with weight loss, so this drink is really going to be good for that flat tummy, for the weight loss, for your skin. We also have mint, which is good for aiding the weight loss, aiding indigestion, and it's really good for your overall oral health. So before we get in, I do want to make sure that you know that when you drink a citrus, like anything with lemon, that you do want to make sure that you're brushing your teeth throughout the day. That way that acidity doesn't affect your tooth enamel. So if you are going to drink this throughout the day, just make sure that you're also brushing your teeth from the acidity. So all we're going to do is just put in our ingredients. Wow, this is just so nice. This is like really great for the spring, for the summer. Just all this fresh produce. Looks so beautiful. Look at that blood orange. And then we're just gonna add a little bit of mint. And then we're just gonna pour our water. Okay, you guys, so this water is really gonna offer better digest health. It's gonna calm those cravings. It's gonna aid with weight loss. And it's gonna increase your energy level. Okay, you guys, so first we're just putting in our pineapple, which is really good for weight loss. It improves digestion, it's great vitamin C, and it increases energy. Next, we have our blackberries, and this aids regular bowel movements, and it improves digestion, and it's low in calories. Next, we have our blueberries, and this enables health digestion, reduces high blood pressure, and it's great for those beauty enhancements. And we have our kale. Kale is wonderful for weight loss, metabolism boost, and it's high in protein. And lastly, we have our plant-based milk, which you can use plant-based, or you can use coconut water or regular water. Okay, you guys, so our very last drink is cucumber watermelon detox water. What I love about this is that this is gonna help with detoxing and removing all the toxins in your body. It's gonna help with weight loss, and watermelon actually slows down aging. So if you're looking for beauty, this is giving you beauty, weight loss, it's just everything. This drink is awesome, so many benefits. So what we have here is watermelon that I just sliced in triangles. You can slice it in cubes, however you want to for this drink. What I love about watermelon is that it's just rich in vitamins like vitamin A, B, C, and potassium. So you're just gonna drop your watermelon slices in, squeeze them all in there. And then also we have cucumbers. And what I love about cucumbers is that it also aids weight and it rehydrates the body. So you're getting the fresh water, the cucumbers, and the watermelon. So this drink is just awesome. What I did was I just took an organic cucumber and I peeled it into like a ribbon shape. So that way it would look pretty in the picture, and then it's just nice thinly sliced. And you can do it this way, or you can just cut them up and dice them. Okay, so all we're gonna do is just pour. Watermelon, if you guys didn't know, is a good source of antioxidants, and it's an anti-inflammatory. Also, did you know that cucumber is a fruit? It is not a vegetable. All right, you guys, I can't believe we're already done. Wasn't that so quick and easy? That's my main goal. It's quick, easy, nutritious, healthy, and delicious. So we definitely stayed on theme. I love that these drinks are just not only gonna help you have that flat tummy, but a belly buster, and then it's also gonna enhance your beauty, whether it's your hair, skin, and nails. Just so many benefits. So before I leave, please make sure that you guys subscribe. It's very important, guys, that you guys are subscribing. Also hit the notification bell. Please give me a thumbs up if you love these drink recipes, and leave in the comments which one you're going to do below. So in the description, I will have what these ingredients are. The description is right underneath this video. It's going to be a little mini arrow. You're just going to click that little mini arrow, and it's going to give you all the details. Okay, so I love you. Most importantly, I love you, Jesus. And I just want to thank my mom who helped me just kind of help with the in between, taking the scenes of cutting the fruit and just helping me wash the dishes as we go. So I love you all. Bye.